Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming model and cutting power. This protects the unit and prevents system errors. Once the breaker is off, pull the thermostat gently from its base to expose the pins. Make sure to note wire labels or take a quick photo because you'll reconnect them later. If your Nest has batteries, remove them now, otherwise just let it sit for about 1 minute. This first step resets volatile memory and preps the device for a factory reset procedure. Once done, reconnect power and wait until the screen wakes. You should access settings by pressing the thermostat ring or tapping the screen, then scroll to reset. Choose Factory Reset and confirm. This erases schedules, Wi-Fi, and home configuration. The unit will reboot and display a progress indicator. Make sure it stays powered and do not interrupt the startup. If you prefer using the Google Home app, unlink the device there first. Then complete the reset on the thermostat to avoid account conflicts. After reset, carefully reattach the thermostat to its base, matching the wire labels you recorded earlier. Power the HVAC back on at the breaker, and follow the on-screen setup to connect Wi-Fi and your Google account. Make sure to run the furnace and AC test routines so you confirm correct wiring and operation. If the Nest won't connect to Wi-Fi, move the router closer or use a phone hotspot briefly. Then retry setup. This often isolates network issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.